Gold against US dollar this week has first of all dropped in value. The week has started with this bearish candle, turning back down. In the previous week analysis, I've mentioned that I'm expecting that the price will continue to rise in value, reaching to 787.96. But first of all, the price will turn back down, though forming this bearish breakout, which was invalidated with the next day with this bullish. This something has been shared with the traders inside the premium analysis. After this invalidation of this bearish breakout, the target was here at 2787.96. They were informed. Also, if you have checked the daily updates, you have seen that after this bullish pin bar has been confirmed, this bullish breakout, the price was trying to reach higher price levels, and this was something that I have pointed. Inside the premium analysis, I also shared some kind of smaller breakouts when they have happened, and also feel free to check the link for the Telegram, where I'm sharing the weekly analysis, how many of these breakouts were successful and how many of them were failed. Now we can see the bullish breakout above 2787.96, which was also all-time high price level. The price continued to rise in value all the way to the next resistance level at 2817.77. The price has retraced back down, which is normally on a Friday that the price, after reaching the very important resistance level or support level, retraced back down, bouncing from that area. Weekly time frame currently shows me a bullish candle that has been formed a bullish breakout above 2787.96. We have a monthly time frame which is showing me also a bullish candle, a bullish breakout above very important resistance level at 2745 and also at 2787.96. Now what can I make as a conclusion for the next month? It is a bullish month. Why? Because we have a bullish breakout on the monthly time frame. We have a weekly bullish breakout, we have a daily bullish breakout which has been confirmed. So everything is pointing that the price will try to reach higher price levels next week, and this is something that I am expecting. Now if you would like also to receive the updates on the 4-hour time frame and also 1-hour time frame when the price makes a bullish or bearish breakouts, like in this example here and also here, when the price will reach the next target, this will be shared with the traders inside the premium analysis. You also can check the link where you can also check the analysis, how many of the successful and how many of failed patterns has been detected this week and shared with the traders. Feel free to check the link with the premium analysis and feel free to join to receive these updates, and also if you have any questions, feel free to ask. This is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.